eating of unripe plantain helps fight metabolic illness such as cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. So this video is for you. Stay tuned and enjoy. Let's go there. Hi guys, hi my beautiful people, how you all are doing? If today is your first time here, please subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you'll not miss any of my video. Have you joined my membership? What are you waiting for? Do so, do anything you can to support my channel, okay? And I will never take the love for granted. Okay guys, if you are new here, seeing this face for the very first time, my name is Miriam Lamzi, Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, but presently serving in Anambra State, Oka. So please do well to subscribe and turn on your post notification for more video on how you can treat yourself at the comfort of your home. So let's get right into today's video. Unripe or green plantain has a lot of health benefits. It is high in fiber, vitamin, minerals, and antioxidants. Okay guys, so if it is a video you would like to relate with, stay tuned and enjoy the video because I am going to share 12 tips, 12 health benefits of unripe plantain with you. Okay, after watching this video, you will not even go for ripe one. Not that the ripe one is not good, but consuming a lot of ripe plantain, it is going to cause a lot of things to your body. Okay, so unripe one is the best for you. Okay, so what am I saying here? I could remember when I was in the village, then I have not started this YouTube stuff. Then my people will be like, you want to fry unripe plantain, leave it to ripe. Why are they saying that? Because they think that ripe one is medicinal and has a lot of nutrients in it. Okay, so Miriam Lamzi is here to say no to that. Okay, so because this plantain you are seeing, the more it gets ripe, the more the fiber content decrease. Okay, that is, the fiber content in it decrease, and the increase of the sugar level is high. Once it's ripe, you see that it is very sweet. Okay, so let's do this and share the 12 tips, 12 health benefits. Okay, let's go there. Number one tip is it is rich in antioxidants. Yes, eating a lot of green plantain or eating green plantain, it is going to help you fight metabolic illness such as diabetes, cancer, and heart disease because it has a lot of antioxidant content or nutrients in it. Okay guys, so that is that on it. So do it and it is going to help you fight all this free radical illness. Okay, let's go to number tips is that it is excellent in diabetic food. That means it is good for diabetic patients. It is good for those that have diabetes. Okay, even when you go to the hospital, the doctor will recommend unripe plantain for you because it is very good for them. Like, it is good in their body. It is work for them like magic. Okay, that is the tips number two. Number three is it maintain the blood pressure, like it control high BP. Yes, high BP. So guys, it is very medicinal. Number four tips is it enhance intestinal health. That is, it is going to help you fight all those, that is, all those bacteria in your, that is, in your inner body. I don't know how to put it. That is intestinal health. It is going to help you fight them, all those radicals in your body. It is going to help them fight them. So it is good for your health and it has a lot of benefits. It enhances intestinal health. That okay. Number five is that it's going to help you in your weight loss journey. Yes, it is very good and it's recommendable. Six, it helps to prevent anemia. It is good for anemia patients. Okay, so go for it. Beneficial during pregnancy. That it is recommendable for pregnant women. Once you are pregnant, it is recommendable for you. That is tip number 7. Tips number 8, excellent baby food. Wow, it is good. It is good for your baby. Yes, it is good for baby food. Like, I don't know how to put it. Yes, I could remember then one of my auntie used this unripe plantain for her baby. Yes, it's using. Do you know how you do it? Once you get the unripe plantain, you peel out the coats, then slice it and sun dry it, add it to the food of the baby, then you grind it together. But there are some ingredients that you add to it, not only the unripe plantain, so it is good for your baby. Number 9, it stop ulcer totally. What do I mean by totally? I'm a living testimony, okay? I have the video on my channel. Go down and check it out. Or I'm going to leave the video of that link in my description box so that you can check it out yourself. How you can use this unripe plantain to take care of or get rid of ulcer permanently at the comfort of your home. I already have the video on that, okay guys? Please do check it out, okay? It is going to cure your ulcer like permanent. Number 10, it improves sexual health. This one is self-explanatory. Number 11, it makes the heart stay healthy, pumping well, moving the blood like around, okay? So it is good for you, okay? Consume a lot of it and come and thank me later. Guys, the last but not the least, which is number 12, it help build strong bone and keep them strong. Yes guys, it is going to help your bones more stronger, okay? So guys, there are many ways that you can consume this plantain. We have plantain flour. You can boil it, you can cook it, in fact anything. There are many ways you can consume it, okay? Okay, I'm not saying you should not consume ripe one, but less it, okay? Less it and increase the consumption of unripe one, okay? So guys, that is the last one, and followed it and it is going to work for you. That is the health benefits. So guys, if you find this video very interesting, oh my god, give it a huge thumbs up, okay? Give it a huge thumbs up, like this video, share this video with your loved ones, your neighbor, your friends and family, guys. Tell them about Miriam Lamzee channel and God Almighty will bless you. Okay, this is the 12 tips, guys. You can see, guys, since I have joined this YouTube, okay, I have learned a lot of things. There are some things that they tell me then that is medicinal, that has a lot of nutrient, and since I joined this YouTube, I begin to see it as useless, guys. YouTube, thank you so much. I am happy to be on this street, okay? And thank you for your support. I will never take it for granted. I love it, even though it is 10 views that I'm getting on this street. I'm so happy for that. You know why? Because it is not easy. Learning all these things every day again is it's a bonus to me, like you know what I'm saying. Thank you if you're my returning subscriber. Eshegon, thank you. All our color, yes, that is Kogi language, okay? So that is it on that. Please thumbs up this video, share this video with your loved ones, grab me if you have not grabbed me, and please, one more thing that I want to tell you guys. There's one more thing I want to tell you. Join my membership. Okay guys, join my membership, okay? See you in my next one. Bye bye.